Okay, Kanva dynasty, 173 BC, 73 BC to 28 BC, 73 BC to 28, 23, 28 BC, 28 BC. In 73 BC, Devabhuti, the last ruler, the last ruler of the Sunga dynasty, was murdered by his minister Vasudeva, who, who spread, who usurped the thorn and founded the Kanva dynasty, Bhumimitra and Narayana succeeded Vasudeva. ఒక్క నిమిషం. Narayana succeeded Vasudeva. The last ruler, Susharman. The last ruler, Susharman was killed by Andhra king. Susharman was killed by Andhra king Sumuka. Andhra king Satavahana dynasty, 60 BC to 225 AD. 60 BC to 225 AD. Satavahana dynasty, 60 BC to 225 AD. Capital Satavahana dynasty, capital Pratistan Paitan, Maharashtra. The most important of the native successors, the most important of the native successors of the Mauryans in the Deccan and Central India were the Satavahanas. The Satavahanas are considered to be identical with Andhras, who are mentioned in the Puranas. Who are mentioned in the Puranas. Simuka, 60 BC to 37 BC, was founder of the Satavahana dynasty. Satakarni is the third ruler, raised its power and prestige by conquest. QUN conquests. Hala was the author of Gataspatasti or Satasi. In Prakrit. Gunadhyay, the author in Prakrit, was the contemporary of Hala. Gautami Putra Satakarna revived the Satavahana power and defeated the Saka Kastrap Snehapana. He was the greatest Satavahana ruler. Yajna Sri Satakarna was the dynasty's last great ruler. Yajna Sri Satakarna was the dynasty's last ruler. Vasishthaputra Sri Satakarni married to daughter Saka Satrap Rudraman. Vasishthaputra Sri Satakarna. Vasishthaputra Sri Satakarni married to daughter of Saka Satrap Sudraman. Pulayamai 3 was the latest Satavahana ruler. Satavahana ruler succeeded by Ikshvakus in 3rd century BC. Satavahana started the practice of donating land land with fiscal and administrative immunities, fiscal and administrative immunities to brahmanas and Buddhist monks, whose eventually weakened their authority under the Satavahanas. Many chaityas worships halls and viharas and monasteries were cut out from rocks. The famous examples are Nasik, Nasik Kanheri and Karali, Nasik Kanheri and Karli, Nasik Kanheri, Knheri, Kanheri and Karli stupas. The most famous of these attributed to the Satavahanas period are Amaravati, a sculptural treasure house, and Nagarjuna Konda. The official language of the Satavahanas was Prakrit. Important aspects of Satavahanas. Important aspects of Satavahanas. The issued mostly lead. They issued mostly lead coins. Satavahanas were the Brahmanis. Satavahanas were the Brahmins. Satavahanas rulers called themselves Satavahana rulers called themselves Brahmins. Sopas and Nagarjuna Konda and Amravati in Andhra Pradesh become important. Stupas at Nagarjuna Konda and Amravati in Andhra Pradesh become important seats of Buddhist culture under Satavahanas. In the Satavahana phase, many chaityas, Chaityas, chaityas. Example: Karla caves in western Deccan, Nasik and Kaniheri, and Viharas were cut out of the solid rock in the northwestern Deccan. The Chitti dynasty of Kalinga. Okay, the Chata dynasty of Chitti dynasty of Kalinga. Chitti dynasty of Kalinga. The Chitti dynasty of Kalinga. The Chitti dynasty of Kalinga. The Hattikumpa inscriptions of Karavela, the third ruler of dynasty, gives information about the Chittis. Karavala pushed his kingdom up to Godavari in the south and recovered the Jain image from the Magadha. He was the follower of Jainism. He constructed residential caves of Jain monks on the Udayagiri hill near Bhubaneswar, Orissa, near Bhubaneswar, Orissa, now Odisha. Foreign successors of Mauryas. Foreign successors of Mauryas. The Indo-Greeks 2nd century BC. The Indo-Greeks 2nd century BC. The Indo-Greeks Bactrian Greeks. The Indo-Greeks ne Bactrian Greeks अंటారు. Indo-Greeks ने Bactrian Greeks अंటారు. Were the first foreign rulers in the northwestern India in the post-Maurya period. The first to invade India were the Indo-Greeks. The first to invade India were the Indo-Greeks. They occupied a large portion of northwestern India and moved up to Ayodhya, Pataliputra, and moved up to Ayodhya and Pataliputra. The most famous Indo-Greek ruler was the most famous Indo-Greek ruler was Menander. Indo-Greek ruler was Menander. The most famous the most famous Indo-Greek ruler. The most famous Indo-Greek ruler was Greek ruler was Menander. Menander 65. The most famous Indo-Greek ruler was Menander. Important. Menander. 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 165 BC. 165 BC to 145 BC. 165 BC to 145 BC. A Milindo. He had his capital at Sukla. He had his capital at Sukla. Modern his capital at Sakala. 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 Modern sail cot in Punjab. He was converted to Buddhism by Nagasena. Menander had Nagasena's conversation were recorded in the book Milinda Panaho. He was converted to Buddhism. He was converted to Buddhism by Nagasena. He was converted to Buddhism. He was converted to Buddhism by Nagasena. Menander and Nagasena's conservation were recorded in the book Milinda Panaho. Milinda Panaho. Milinda Panaho are the questions of Milinda. The Indo-Greek rule is important in the history of India. The Indo-Greek rule is important in the history of India. The Indo-Greek rule. The Indo-Greek rule. The Indo-Greek rule is important in the history of India because of the large number of coins which they issued. Because of the large number of coins which they issued. The Indo-Greeks were the first rulers in India to issue coins. The Indo-Greeks were the first rulers in India to issue the coins. The Indo-Greeks were the first rulers in India to issue the coins, which can definitely be attributed to the kings. Which can definitely be attributed to the kings. They were the first to issue gold coins. They introduced Helena, Hellenic, Hellenic, that is Greek features. In art, giving rise to Gandhar school in the northwestern India. They introduced Hellenic, Hellenic, that is Greek features. In art, giving rise to Greek features in art, giving rise to Ga- Gandhar schools in the northwestern India. Northwestern in India. The Sakas, first century BC. The Sakas, first century BC to 4th century AD. The Sakas, first century BC to 4th century AD. The Sakas, first century BC to 4th century AD. The Sakas, first century BC to 4th century AD. 4th century AD. The Sakas, also known as also known as also known as Scythians. 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 Replaced the Greeks in India. Scythians replaced the Greeks in India. Scythians replaced the India. The most famous soccer roller in India was Rudraman 130 AD 130 AD. He repaired the famous Sudarshan Lake of the Mauryan period, and he issued the first ever long inscriptions to no, first ever long inscriptions in Shasta Sanskrit, despite his patronage, despicting, depicting depicting his patronage patronage of Sanskrit in about in about 1558 BC. The king of Ujjain and Vikramaditya is supposed to have fought effectively against the Sakas effectively against the Sakas. An array called Vikrama Samavad. An array called Vikrama Samavad is recoined from 58 BC. An array called Vikrama Samavad is reckoned from 58 BC. In about 58 BC, so in about 58 BC, in about 58 BC, the king of Ujjain, Vikramaditya is supposed to have fought effectively against the Sakas. An array called In about 58 BC, the king of Ujjain, Vikramaditya is supposed to have fought effectively against the Sakas. An array is called Vikrama Samavat. Is reckoned reckoned from 58 BC. Reckoned from 58 BC. Reckoned from 58 BC. The Parthans first century. The Parthans first century. The Parthians first century. The Parthians first century BC. First century AD. First century AD. First century AD. Parthians replaced the Sakas in northwestern India. The most famous Parthian king was Gonda Parthians, Gonda Pahrians, Gonda in whose in whose region Saint Thomas is said to have come to India for the propagation of Christianity. The questions first century AD. The questions first century AD. The questions first century AD, third century AD. The questions first century AD and third century AD. The questions first century AD to the questions first century AD to third century AD. Questions replace the Greeks and Persians. The first questions dynasty are questions replace the Greeks and Parthians. The first questions the first questions dynasty was the first questions dynasty was founded by the first questions dynasty was founded by Kuzla and Kadphises. Vima Kadphises issued gold coins in India. Kanishka founded the second Kushana dynasty. Second Kushana dynasty. Their capitals are at Peshawar, 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 Porashpati, Puraspura and Mathura. Puraspura and Mathura. The capitals are at Puraspura and Purashwar. That is Puraspura and Mathura. Kushans replaced the Greeks and Parthians. The first Kushana dynasty was founded by Kujula, Kujula Kadphises. Kujula Kadphises. Bhima Kadphises issued gold coins in India. Kanishka founded the second Kushana dynasty. Kanishka founded the second Kushana dynasty. Their capitals were at Peshawar. Parashapura, Parshapura and the Matra. The most famous Krishna ruler was Kanishka, also known as Second Ashoka. He started an way in 78 AD, which is now known as Saka era, and is used by the government of India. And is used by the government of India. It is used by the government of India. Kanishka was the greatest patron of Mahayana Buddhism. Of Mahayana Buddhism. of Mahayana Buddhism in his region. Fourth Buddhist Council was held in his region. Fourth Buddhist Council was held in Kundalwana, Kashmir, where the doctrines of Mahayana from Buddhism were finalized. Were where the doctrines of the Mahayana from Buddhism were finalized. The last great Kushana ruler was Vasudeva one. The last great Kushana ruler was Vasudeva one. The Kushanas controlled the famous Silk Route starting from China, passing through their empire onto Iran and Western Asia. The Kushanas controlled the famous Silk Route, starting from China, passing through their empire onto Iran and Western Asia. The Kushans were the first rulers in India to issue gold coins on scale. In the royal court of Kanishka, a host of the Kushanas were the first rulers in India to issue the gold coins on wide scale. In the royal court of Kanishka, a host of scholars found patronos. In the royal court of Kanishka, a host of scholars found patronos. Parva, Parava, Parva, Parva and Vasumitra and Ashwagosha, Nagarjuna, Charaka, Matra were some of them. Important boats, Bari Gaza, Bari Gaza, Baruch, and Barbaricum, Western Coast, Archimedes, Archimedu, Pudiku, according to Periplus near Pondicherry, Eastern Coast, Eastern Coast, Eastern Coast. Kushana Empire gave rise to Gandhara and Mathura School of Art. Kushana Empire gave rise to Gandhara and Mathura School of Art. Mathura Schools of Art. Vatsayana wrote Kama Sutra in his period. Vatsayana wrote Kama Sutra in this period. In this period, Gandhara School of Art. Gandhara School of Art. It exhibits the influence of Greek and Roman art. It exhibits the influence of Greek and Roman art, patronized by the Shakas and Kushanas. They used blue. They used blue schist. Schist stone. They used blue schist stone. They used blue schist stone. It exists Gandhara School of Art. It exhibits the influence of Greek and Roman art, patronized by Sakas and Kushanas. They used blue schist stone. Mathuri School of Art. Buddha of Gandhara art was copied here, but he is a refined way. In a refined way. Mathuri School of Art. Buddha of Gandhara art was copied here, but in refined way. The majority of creation consisted of nude, semi-nude figures of females, Ikshines or Apsaras in erotic poses. in erotic poses. Gupta period 319 AD to 540 AD. Guptas arose in Magadha with and established a large kingdom over the greater part of northern India. Their empire was not as large as that of Mauryans. The period of referred the period is referred to as the classical age of golden age of ancient India. This period is referred to the classical age of golden age of ancient India. Although the Gupta Empire was not as large as Maurya Empire, it kept North India politically united for more than a country. Sri Gupta was the founder of the Gupta dynasty. Sri Gupta was followed by his sons Ghatotkacha, and he was followed by his son Chandragupta. Both used the simple title of Maharaja. Ghatotkacha. Chandragupta 319 AD, Chandragupta 319 AD and 334 AD, 319 AD and 334 AD. He was the first Gupta ruler. He was the first Gupta ruler to assume the title of Maharajapati Raja, Maharajadiraja. He was the first Gupta ruler to assume the title of Maharajadiraja. He strengthened his kingdom by matrimonial alliance with the powerful family of Lichachavis, who were the rulers of Maithili. He got married to Lichachavi princess Kamaradevi. He started the Gupta era in 319 AD to 320 AD. He started the Gupta era in 319 AD to 320 AD. 320 AD. He established the authority over Magda Shakti and Prayaga. Samudragupta 335 to 380 AD. Samudragupta was the greatest king of the Gupta dynasty. The most detailed and authentic record of the region is preserved in the Prayaga Parishad or Ahmada Pillar inscriptions composed by the court poet Harisena. According to Prayaga Parishita, it was a great conqueror. According to Prayaga Prayaga Parishti, he was a great conqueror. Samudragupta's military campaigns justify descriptions of him as a Napoleon of India of V.S. Smith. Samudragupta's military campaigns justify descriptions of him as a Napoleon of India by descriptions of him as the Napoleon of India by V.S. Smith. The reference to this kingdom, the difference to his dominion over Java, Sumatra, and Malayala islands in the scene shows that he had a navy. Samudragupta issued the terrorists after defeating the issued Samudragupta annexed ANEXED the territories after defeating the monarchies in northern India, but did not annex territories in such inside. When he died, his mighty empire broadened that of the Kushna or Western Province and Vaktakas in Deccan provinces. Titles: Kevaraja Param Bhagavat, Asmaveda Prakarama Vikram Sarva Raj Vikara Sarva Vikram Sarva Raj Ochacheta Only Gupta ruler had the title of Sarvaraja Ochchita. ಸರ್ವರಾಜ ಓಚಿಚೇತ ఎవరు అశ్వమేధ కవిరాజ ప్రామ భాగవత్ అశ్వమేధ ప్రాకర్మ విక్రమ సార్వరాజ ఓచాచీత ఓన్లీ గుప్తా రూలర్ హ్యాడ్ ద టైటిల్ ఆఫ్ సర్వరాజ ఓచిచిత ఎవరి గురించి ఎంత చదువుతున్నావు చంద్రగుప్తం అయ్యానే ఒరే గుర్తుల టైం ఇది Only Gupta ruler had the title of Sarvaraja Ochchita. Allahabad pillar inscriptions mention the title Dharma Prachara Bandhu. That is, he was the upholder of Brahmanical religion. Brahmanical religion. Mahaviras, the king of Sri Lanka, sent an embassy to Samudragupta with the permission build a monastery for Buddhist pilgrims in Buddhagaya. The king of Sri Lanka sent a embassy in Samudragupta with his permission build a monastery for Buddhist pilgrims in both Buddhagaya. Buddhist pilgrims at Buddhagaya. Monastery for Buddhist pilgrims at Buddhagaya.